How to do spot trading on OKX. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to do spot trading on OKX. In order to do spot trading on OKX, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go and log in into your OKX wallet account and make sure that your account is verified. And from here you need to go to assets, and right on top you'll be able to see different sort of interface. So if you're not able to see this, you could also go to the trade session, and here you could also locate the spot session. So while you're logged in, press the icon from the top left hand side corner, and over here you should be able to find spot trading. So go ahead and look for it. When you actually locate that, you'll be taken to this page. So here you could either go ahead and select buy or sell. Then you need to go to the limit order or the order type. So you could go with all of these options and type in the price, then enter the amount of Bitcoin or an asset that you want and enter it in a total, and click on buy or sell right at the bottom. And when you've actually confirmed the transaction, then you've successfully done spot trading on OKX. So that is how you could do spot trading on OKX. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.